It's been long time na hindi ako nag-vlog. Pero today, because my birthday is coming, actually tomorrow. So, nag-shopping ako. I-unbox ko yung mga nabili ko for gift for myself. So, mag-start tayo na bukas pa ang birthday ko, but I'm gonna unbox early. Kasi bukas busy ako. We're going out. So, ang aking i-unbox first nag-shopping ako ng ito. Ang aking first na unbox ay nag-shopping ako today kasi it's my day off. So I bought again for extra small pantulog. Kasi yan. This one, these two pair, I bought it today. After this one, this is for night ko. So, pangtulog, pair pink, and then this one. Then, ito ang first time. Get for 30%, I paid 28 bucks. I will wear this also tomorrow. This and then my leather jacket. Not leather jacket, for like navy, whatever cloth. It's not a leather. Next, pinackage ko na. So, I went to first Coma. Ayaw ko sanang bumili. Pero, ang tukso ay, whatever. It's been long time na hindi ako bumili ng shoes. So, I bought a shoes. Sale also. Kasi, there, I bought this. I love pink. Not much pink, but I like the color. So, this one is size 4.5C. I don't know what is that. But my size, yung size ng shoes ko is always 36. This one. So, it's a good little pink. This one. And it's over here. Right? And then this one. Maganda siya. And, magaan. Magaan siya. Hindi siya, Ito is Puma. Here, there's a tube. Here, Puma. And this one too. Here. Nice color. I love it. I saw it today. So I just dropped it. Here, just bought it today too. I will wear this tomorrow. Same thing. We're gonna go out with my husband. So, ito ang aking susuotin bukas. Right? Fit. And then, next, I just bought for myself gold. So, I bought online this, I think last month. It's a very small gold. Wait. Here. Para tayong Here, I bought this. Napakanipis niya. Ano lang to mahal na ang gold ngayon I think it's like 0.25 grams. I bought this last month. Here. Like this. Ayaw ko na kasi. Super nipis. Ayan, I bought this. I don't know. Basta hindi ko na sasabihin, pero mahal ang gold ngayon. That one. This is a bracelet. I will try. I'm gonna try. Try natin. Try na kasi mahaba. And I bought this too also. This. Partner sa aking necklace. So, this one, I bought also last month. I have like this. Yeah. Payat kasi ang aking kamay. So, that one. It's 14 carats, I believe. 14 carats, something like that. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung magkano. That one. And the next one, I bought for myself. Sa aking friend na lagi kong binibilhan kahit sa mga luxury bag. This is the first time that I get Japan gold. So, I get this. This one is I forgot. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung this one, yung niya. Dito, mga. But this one, I like this kasi para siyang rosary or station. So, I bought this. I get this last month. Mahal. Expensive. So, I will try. Yeah. That's the one. Here. See? It is a first time that I get for Japan. Japan gold. Station. Alam mo yung uso ngayon yan. And I have another one. I got this too. Here. This one, I got this. Here. Same thing. I bought this week for my birthday. I bought this for my birthday present. And it was arrived yesterday. No, the other day. Binibili ko to sa mga Pinay dito sa Canada na nag-ibenta. Sobrang mahal. Jesus. Kung alam ko lang matagal na ako. This one. Ito ay 18 carats at 3.95 grams. $790. See, this is the price, $790. I paid 810 Canadian dollar kasi my shipping fee. So it's not included, so I just bought this. This is 3.95 grams, 18 inches. This is a Saudi gold, and then this is a Japan gold. And yeah, and then this one also, I bought this. Same thing for mga Filipina na nagbibenta dito. Kasi nawala yung wedding ring ko. So I just bought this like last year. And then this one, I bought this same thing last year. I bought this from States. It's a wedding ring. And but hindi to kasali sa aking unboxing. Sinama ko lang. Then this one has been long time na. It's been 3 years. Same thing. Ang binilhan ko siya ito. And then this one, same seller. Trusted seller. Si Jen. Is. Ito mahal to. Pikit mata. Pikit mata kong binili. And then, last year, I bought, isasali ko na, I bought another necklace. It's my birthday ko, and then Pasko siya, Christmas. So, pikit mata ko rin siyang binili. Ito naman ang ito yung uso noon. Ito, this one. This is I believe, this is a 15.9 grams. Same thing sa Pinay ko rin binili, kay Divine, sa shoutout, sa Facebook. Maraming nagbibenta ng mga Pinay sa Facebook, pero I just make sure from luxury bags to jewelries na legit sila na hindi fake. Kasi mahal to. I bought this same with I think this ring and then this ring, it's almost same price. Hindi ko nasasabihin kung magkano, pero mabigat siya. Pikit mata kong binili, pero it's fine. Last year, ngayon mas mahal na to kung binili. I'm looking for this earrings dito. But I'm looking forward next time pag nag-inquire na ako. Pero mahal siya, pero pikit mata muna. Kasi may bago akong in-order again. Nakakaiba. So, that one. This is, I bought it last year. Kung nakikita nyo sa Facebook ko, lagi kong sinusuot to. Diba? Yan. That one. Tapos, kasi, nandito na naman tayo. This one, I bought this in the Winners in the mall. Last month, pikit mata rin. Not much, but it's 14 carats gold. And kasi may ganito ako, so ito. Kaya binili ko siya. Kaya binili ko siya. Ito, matagal na ito. Like 5 years ago, I think medyo mura pa yung gold. Mas mura ko to nabili. Package with not package, like set siya, pero mas mura siya na set. This one, may earring siya. Ito, mahal na nga to ngayon. But, iwan ko dati kasi luxury bag pa ang aking So, this one, and then may infinity siya na, tawag doon? Kalimutan ko. Parang pendant. So, ito, different price siya. So, this one, I bought this 5 years ago. I believe this is a 10 grams, I believe. Maganda rin to siya kasi na siya na tawag doon, lagyan natin ito. Na-resize mo siya. For example, kung gusto mong mahigpit lang, yung ganun, yung 15 inches, 10 inches, ganun, pwede mo siyang isabit. Asan ako? This one. Sasabit mo lang siya. Pero na-unboxing ko na kasi, tinirno ko siya dito. This one. Kaya ko siya binili. This is Saudi gold. This is from Italy. This is, it's only this one is 14 carats, I believe. Yeah. 14 carats. This is 18 carats gold. Pero matagal na to. Hindi ito bago. Ang bago ko, ito last year and then this one. So, that's the thing. Right? This is my birthday present. Ang dami ko nang binili. This one. Marami pa nga eh. Tira pa natin. lang. Marami pa ako. Ito pa nga, oh. Ayan. I have so many gold. This one, I bought this like 2 years ago. This one, mahal to kasi mayroon siyang dangling. This one. I don't know. Mano na ako ngayon sa gold than the mga bags ko. Kasi mga bags ko. Ay, nako. Yung mga bags ko, hindi ka na ano. Tapos, I bought this also sa Pinay. This one, 2 months ago. Infinity. This one. The problem is, nawala yung isa. To. Kasi, hindi pala siya yung tornilyo niya. Sobrang nipis. Tsaka maluwag. Ito, maluwag siya. So, minessage ko sa Pinay na binibilhan ko. Hindi man lang ako na-response. So, hindi na ako bumibili sa kanya. This is my third purchase sa kanya. Hindi na ako bumibili sa kanya. Ang ganda pa naman niya, oh. Sayang. Nawala yung isa. Diba? Nawala siya. Tapos itong Kate Spade. I bought this also in Winners. It's a good deal. Pang fashion lang. But if you can sell this, you still can sell it. So this one, oh, dito. Dangling. I like dangling. Diba? Tapos ito din, I bought this. I don't know kung nakikita nyo sa aking vlog. I bought this also last year. Ayoko na, marami na kasi akong this one, right? So, I bought this last year. Sa Facebook also, so many people. This one is, para siyang sawa, ang snake. Hindi ko naman din. 6 grams. This one, 16 inches. I like 16 inches. This is my first time na I got 18 inches kasi para may maluwag sa aking Diba? So, I think that's it. And, kasi marami akong, it's been long time din to. I think nakikita nyo sa aking Facebook. So, about this. Anyways, so, oh, where is it? Cool. That's it for my unboxing today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Try my best na mag-vlog ako kasi I'm so busy. I'm busy for working, whatever. So, yan. So, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Thank you.